So are you heading to Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves and you've booked a standard studio? Well, you might want to stick around and see what it looks like right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we head inside here and take a look at the standard studio at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert, California, I want to let you know on this channel I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't own timeshare but you love visiting and staying at these fantastic resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well from resorts all over the world, all over the United States. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. You might be a little bit surprised or maybe even a little bit disappointed at what this villa looks like, this standard studio. Let's head in and check it out. Heading inside this standard studio at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves phase in Palm Desert, California, the first thing we're going to take a look at is the bathroom. Just a small bathroom here with a single vanity and a bathtub with a shower. Moving out to the main living area of the studio villa, you do have a small kitchenette, not a whole lot of room here, but it does provide you with a coffee maker, toaster, some starting coffee supplies, small refrigerator with a freezer, and also a microwave oven. The kitchenette here is also supplied with a set of dinnerware, glassware, and silverware for just 2 people. Now right beside the kitchenette, kind of integrated with, attached to the cabinets from that kitchenette, is where you'll have a small closet. In here you're going to find some extra bedding, ironing board, as well as the in-room safe. Moving into the bedroom area here, you do have some nice artwork on the wall, king-size bed, couple of nightstands, some exposed electrical and USB power outlets, as well as some lamps. And one thing you're definitely going to see is the bright red headboard for that king-size bed. In here you do also have a sofa that does pull out into a queen-size bed, and hung up on the wall here is a large flat-screen television. And something else I found kind of handy here, they have this shelf that inside of it does have a number of electrical and USB power outlets. Definitely a great place to put your phone, any electronics that you need to charge. I actually found it really handy for charging all of my cameras, my drone, everything I use to create videos for Destination Timeshare. Over here to the side, you do also have a small dining area, a couple of chairs with a small table. Alright, so there you have it, the standard studio here at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert, California. You're going to notice I'm not out on the balcony here, out on the patio, because this room just simply does not have one. So a big drawback, if you're looking to stay here and you're booking a standard studio, you're not going to have a place to go outside here on a balcony. But otherwise, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps sell YouTube, and let them know that these are good videos, and they'll push them out to more people looking to come to Palm Desert and Marriott's Shadow Ridge. And also, if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Shadow Ridge, check out this one right up here in YouTube. They're sure you'll like that one down there. Please be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.